The best solution for your wood outdoor decking is available now from Finest Brazilian Decking. Our online inventory is extensive and includes a variety of beautiful Brazilian hardwoods, advanced decking supplies, fasteners, and more. Ipe is a beautiful walnut color with rich reddish tones that not only makes the perfect deck, is low maintenance and long-lasting. All of our wood outdoor decking hardwoods in stock are premium grade. Tigerwood, Cumaru, Massaranduba and Batu, plus many other species. We give you the personalized service you deserve. Save money, save time, and get exactly what you need for your outdoor living space. We carry several railing options, including cable railing, to finish your project with style and beauty. With an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau, we are the specialist to call. Across the U.S. and Caribbean, receive your new wood outdoor decking delivered right to your door. Visit finestbraziliandecking.com or call 855-473-9663 today. Ask for Debi.